Hello YouTubers, how's it going? Let me introduce you to my new friend. This is Lenovo IdeaPad L340 Gaming. And it looks like this bad boy has recently become a victim of gravity. And as you can see, when I switch on the monitor display, the screen is severely damaged. But according to the owner, it's not just the monitor display that has been damaged, but also his mechanical hard drive. And here is the hard drive that the owner took out. And he made 0 attempts to retrieve data. And here is the SSD drive. I guess this probably the primary storage where the operating system is installed. So we look at that. The next thing I'm going to do is to put this SSD back into this laptop and see what happened. All right, let's turn it over and remove the screw. Okay, let's put the SSD drive back in place. Here we go. Let's put the covers back. Okay, so it looks like there's nothing wrong with the graphic card, as the laptop can output graphic information onto my monitor display here. Okay, let us now remove the front bezel and the LCD. Okay, let us now unscrew all this 4 screw that secure the LCD on the chassis. And the screen is detached from the plastic cover, and you can see, okay, that's the 30-pin LCD connectors. Okay, in order to remove the LCD connector, you have to lift this metal brace. Okay, and now carefully pull the connector. And it turns out that the LCD display is glued to the metal hinge, so we're going to have to apply heat in order to melt the glue. So the LCD has been removed, and all right, here comes the replacement part. Let's cut it open. Okay, now we are going to taste it. So I'm just going to plug in the 30-pin connectors. Let me just move my camera closer so you can see. I'm gonna try to do it with my left hand so you can see it. It's gonna be a little bit difficult for me, but what matters is that you see all the process. So here we go. Okay, so let's turn this on. There we go. Looks like it's working. Alright. Looks like there's no dead pixel anywhere. Okay, now it's time to reassemble all the parts. So now I'm going to apply a strip of the sticky tape on both sides of the hinge. Okay, now let's put this plastic hinge cover back in place. Alright, now let's open up the bottom plate. Okay, now I'm going to just reconnect the batteries connector. Okay, now the battery connector is already in place. Let's put the bottom cover back on. Okay, let's put all the screws in. Okay, so let's clean it up a bit. Now that all the cleaning is done, let's turn it on for the last time to see if everything is functioning okay. Let's connect this to the internet. Okay, everything has been fine so far. I do not notice any problems. Okay, and that's the end of a screen repair job for this laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad L340 Gaming. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy.